right on the screen is a bearish pattern, right? This is a bearish pattern. And what does a bearish pattern means? It means it is a selling signal, right? It is a sell signal that the market is going to sell, it's going to come down. For those of you who are not that familiar with the forex market, you understand that is simply what it means. So right here, we have our first touch here, second one, first, second. We didn't really get the third one, but the market breakouts, you understand. I already made a video about this pattern, right? So I'm not going to talk much on that. What I'm going to talk about today is trend continuation, you understand? What to do when you have a market breakout, right? So heading to the 4-hour time frame right here, heading to the 4-hour time frame, you can see what happened here, right? We had a breakout on this place. This is on the daily time. On the daily time frame, we had the breakouts here of structure. We had the breakout of structure here. The market went down all the way. There was a time I posted about this. Someone made a comment that no, that it's not going to be a sell, that it's going to be a buy. But as you can see, the sell has actually happened. So let's dive in quickly to what we are here for today. So as you can see, we have very long market fall off from here all the way to this place. This is a breakout, a very nice bearish pattern, and it actually plays out, right? It play out. How do you know if this is going to continue to the downside, or how do you know if it's going to go up? So that's what we're going to do today. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see something. Right here we have a continuation pattern. This is what is called a bearish continuation pattern. Whenever you see this in a downtrend, it means that the market will what likely continue, like the sell will likely continue, you understand. You see a pattern like this in the downtrend, it is a what? It is a bearish setup. Bearish setup, that means the market is going to what? Likely sell. But anything can happen. Like I always say, it is based on probability and possibility. The probability of the market selling from here is much higher than it going up from here. You understand? That means if I'm going to take this trade, I'm going to what? Take a sell. You understand? So whenever you see a market fall off like this, whenever you see a market fall off like this, and you see a pattern like this is called a bearish continuation pattern. It is a signal that the trend is going to continue. That means a reversal may not happen anytime soon. You understand? So what do? This is where you place yourself from. At this point, place yourself from there, and you patiently wait for the market to go down. You understand? So there's nothing much to do here. It is very, very simple. This is very, very easy to spot. Just a fall off from market, from a rally, or should I call it a ranging or something. It forms, then you take your sell. The second thing you need to know about this pattern also is most times when the market gets to this point, it break out here, get a retest, and also continue. You understand? So that is it. There's nothing much about this. It's very, very simple. I don't even know how to explain this because it's self-explanatory. By seeing it and by demonstrating it, it's very much self-explanatory. So that is it. But if you need more knowledge about this, contact us for proper mentorship. So these are what we trade, these are what we analyze, these are what we see, and these are what we practicalize on. So that is just it. And the last thing you need to know is before you take a sell, make sure the market gets to this point before you take a sell. You understand? Make sure it's on the line, it's on the trend line. You understand? So I'm going to give you one example why you should not take a sell when it doesn't get to this trend line. Let's assume the market was at this point, right? Let's say the market didn't get to the line, to the trend line, and you take a sell from here. Well, the market actually got down a little to this point, and you can see the reversal. it will what? Take you out and go to take another retest. You understand? And probably go down from there. So what am I going to do right here? This is what I'm going to do. Um okay. Let me put my stop loss something like this. Uh, okay. Something like this. It's very, very much okay like this. That is, I'm risking just 14 pips to make 70 pips. That means if I'm risking $14 on this trade, I'll be making $70. You understand? So if I'm risking $140 on this trade, I will be making about $70 on this trade. Yeah, I think my calculation is very, very much correct. Yeah, that is it. If I'm risking, let's say $100. If I'm risking $100 on this trade, or let's say $140 on this trade, I'll be making about $70 on this trade. That is how it is. That is how it is. Very, very, very much simple to understand. So it's as simple as that. Everyone in my mentorship program are trading $5,000 accounts. Yeah, in my mentorship program, we provide you with a free $5,000 account once you are done with your mentorship, right? After learning Forex, the most difficult part is getting your money for investment, that is the capital. So this is what we do. We provide you with a $5,000 account. Then whatever profit you make, we take 10% of it. You understand? You take 90%, we take 10%. And we provide you a support system on how to trade that account for up to 6 to 1 year. Let's say you make $500 in that account. We take just $50 and hand $450 to you. For this particular funding program, you are not going to pay for it, you are not going to make deposit. What you need is just your valid ID card. We are going to take the risk. Yours is to take the trade. It's only valid for those who are in my community. So, if you want to have access to this, join my community and you can kickstart your trading journey.